आ गए सर।
ओके। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम
अस्सलाम।
अस्सलाम। कैसे हैं आप लोग, खैरियत से हैं?
जी सर, अल्लाह का शुक्र। आप कैसे हैं?
माशाल्लाह। तो आज वासिफ आप प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं या कोई और भी है?
सर हमारा ग्रुप दे रहा है, मैं सिकंदर और हसन उमर का है, हम लोग दे रहे हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा, आप प्रेजेंटेशन तो दे दीजिएगा, लेकिन बाद में उसको ज़रा रिपोर्ट कुछ है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मेट अपलोड कीजिएगा ज़रा।
जी सर, वो असल में हमने आप लोग आपका फॉर्मेट देख लिया था और हमने आपके फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से ही बनाई है। तो मैं आपको आप रिव्यू करके अपने इधर स्क्रीन शेयरिंग पर दिखा भी दूंगा आपको एक नज़र।
अरे बस, तो फिर ठीक है।
हर एक
हम
एक हेडिंग, बल्कि आपकी जो हेडिंग थी उससे भी हम लोगों ने 3-4 हेडिंग्स ऐसी हैं जो कि डलनी चाहिए थी, तो वो भी हमने ऐड ऑन कर दी है ना, ताकि वो भी एक अच्छी रिपोर्ट बन जाए।
चलें, ग्रेट, अच्छी बात है। तो
ठीक है
अभी
सर।
बिल्कुल बस देख लेते हैं, थोड़ी देर हम वेट कर लेते हैं, ये लोग बाकी भी आ जाए ज़रा।
ठीक है
आप
सर।
देखो, मैसेज दोबारा करो, बस 2-3 मिनट में फिर शुरू करते हैं, 5 मिनट समझे।
ठीक है सर, मैं एक मैसेज कर देता हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आई एम मोहम्मद वासिफ, starting with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Sir, first of all, I would like to introduce my group members. So here we go.
वासिफ, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं
अस्सलाम।
आती।
जी सर, पहले इंट्रोडक्शन हम चाह रहे
ओके
थे
ओके
ताकि
ओके,
दे दें
ठीक
फिर।
है ठीक है, ओके ओके।
So, respected teacher and dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sikandar Khan and I'm from 7th semester, currently doing BScs from PFG. And Hassan Umar, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Hassan Umar and I'm also in 7th semester in PFG.
Now, moving to our project presentation, first of all, we would like to tell you questionnaire part. So basically, these are below mentioned questions which we have asked to the manager of HPL. So in which first question is of what is the most challenging thing about being a manager and what do you think will be the most challenging part of this position? So basically these questions are all relevant to the organizing topic, which is the pillar of the management also, in which the manager gives us the answer to this to fulfill the target according to the marketing, the market comparison. Now, if I move toward the second question which we have asked to them is, how would you handle a decision that you made that did not have the effect that you were expecting to achieve? So he replied, we will definitely change the planning strategy. Now, again, moving toward the third question which we have asked to him is of how do you approach the decision making process? In other words, how do you make difficult decision without the input of others? So he replied, we will make decision by seeing our market comparatives and seeing the capabilities of our staff also. Now the last question which was according to myself is of describe a conflict you had with one of our colleagues and how you resolved it when making a decision. So again he replied, we will evaluate that colleagues on the basis of our criteria factors as we all there will be meeting place on which decision can be take place. So now for other question, Hassan Umar is to tell you.
So the next question was a very important question as we live in a Islamic Republic. Was that do they have any Islamic banking or Islamic product? And if they have, so what is the benefit? So to this question, he replied that this bank is also an Islamic bank, and the branch we are sitting is also Islamic, and they don't give things on the basis of interest, and they only deals with the assets because assets carry the value and can easily converted into cash. And the HBL is also having 108 Islamic branches all over. So the sixth question was, what is their monthly or annual deposit? So he replied to that approximately 600 millions, and sometimes the value may vary because depending on the current accounts and saving accounts or the senior citizen account, as they don't have many transactions. The next question was that how do you manage a company that is behind on its loans? Uh, so he replied that we offer no loan. We offer them on the basis of their conventional performance. If the company is having profit, so they charge them according to their revenue and not on a fixed loan.
Now, sir, for the more questions, elaboration, Sikandar is here to tell you.
So thank you for giving me a chance. So the eighth question, what we asked from Mr. Zishan, the manager in Aisha Mazil branch, what would you do if a customer complains about the employee's attitude, and what do you do to keep staff members keep motivated to handle the customer? So he answered that we will make evaluation on both of them, and we will definitely look toward the scenario. In my words, he is telling that if a complaint occurs, he discuss the complaint with employee to resolve the situation effectively with the right approach. And he can satisfy the customer as well as handle the employee correctly at the same time, and tackle the situation with the problem solving mentality to keep moral high of the employee and make customer happy. The other question is to we ask that describe a time when your team failed to reach its goal. What did you learn? How did you motivate your team members? Again, he said that up till now we never failed, but if there is any type of situation came to our HR staff, so we'll done a marketing, achieve that goal, and from HR marketing we will learn about that mistakes which occurs from our side. The last question is what skills they should have for being a manager. So he replied that skills that should have for being a manager is act as a mentor and supervision of entire branch, and you should have a communication skills better, and staff management and handle customers. Okay,
Now,
Wasif.
sir, we would like to move you towards our presentation PPT. So give me a while. So, sir, here is our PPT presentation. Now, basically, we have conducted this interview from Mr. Ishan, who is the manager of HBL at Aisha Manzil branch. So, here we have also gathered their information about statements and objectives of their organization. So for that, he replied mission statement, vision statement, and objectives. So for the mission statement, he said to make banking safe, simple, and pleasant. That is their organization mission statement. And for the vision statement, he replied to be our customer most convenient and trusted bank. Now, if moving towards their objectives part, so in the objective part, he replied targeting the saving of retired people, giving them good returns and secure. Most importantly, as retired people want security of their fund the most. So moving
वासिफ
towards,
वासिफ
yes.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट बट स्लाइड शेयर नहीं हो रही, आप शेयर कर लें.
Oh, sorry. Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry for the. Now I would like to recall the again about the statements and objectives which was replied by the manager Mr. Ishan when I asked to him. So about the mission statement, he replied that to make banking safe, simple, and pleasant, that is his organization goal. And for the vision statement, he replied that to be our customer most convenient and trusted bank, that is our vision. And for the last but not the least thing, purchase of objective part. So he replied, targeting the saving of retired people, giving them good returns and secure. Most importantly, as retired people want security of their funds the most. So that was his organization objective. Now, if I move forward toward the managerial functions, so for the managerial functions of their organization part is of keeping eye on the staff and the organization, and number second is of planning how to achieve their objectives and their goals by keeping the planning in their good directions. Now moving toward the third point, which is of organizing, how they organize. So for that organizing part we have already discussed in our report also, and the leading criteria how they lead, it is one of their managerial important functions. So now moving toward the managerial role. So for the managerial role, they replied promoting and marketing the branch and its products was one of the most important manager role of to them. Now moving toward the second task, which is of meeting the with customers and resolving any problems or complaints, is the second main important manager role. Now, coming toward the third point, ensuring there is a high level of customer service. And fourth one is of their main important target is of monitoring sales targets and so on, reporting to head office so that their work can be maintained in a flow. And their fourth point is of keeping keep a watch on the cash transactions that are taking place. And the last role, which is of their manager, is of tally the balance of the cash at the end of each day. Now, for the skills needed for managerial role, is Hassan Umar is to tell you.
So according to Mr. Zishan, the branch manager of HBL, the skill needed for the manager role, first of all, it is communication skills. It is a very small, important skills, not in just banking, but in every profession, as you have to satisfy your client and by communicating. The second role is problem solving. Uh, a manager have to be a problem solving role in his organization. Number three is customer service. The customer service is also a very important role for a manager, as the customer is the important role in an organization. Number four is numeracy skills, and teamwork. A manager should not be a one-man army. He should lead his team to the goal for the organization. Time management is also an important role, and a manager should be a leader and work in team management. So the next slide is the organizational culture. Uh, the culture of HBL is a very friendly culture, and they accommodate with each other. When we ask the branch manager, he tell us that if someone is facing any problem, they can ask each other, ask to the seniors for help, and they will guide them, which is a very good environment. So the next slide is the profit maximizing techniques. One of the techniques is online banking, as it online banking, the banks charge for online banking, and the others are loans, uh, which also give profit to the banks. The schemes, the promotional schemes, which the banks give to their customers, for their sponsors. The ATMs and one link ATMs are also the profit maximizing techniques, as they charge customers for that. And solar system, one of the uh, uh, main cost reduction is the electricity, which in Karachi is very expensive. So the solar energy could replace it and can increase the profit. Now Sikandar will carry on for the pestle analysis and SWOT analysis.
So thank you very much for giving me a chance again. So I will describe what pestle analysis actually is. So pestle is an acronym that stands for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. However, it is a framework that we use to analyze and monitor the macro environmental factors that may have a profound impact on an organizational performance. So, couple of years people have expanded the frameworks and they use steplet, destip, slipit, these type of analysis, but we stick to the pestle when doing it for the bank HPL. So at first, as the political, we say that the banks are strongly affected by the political and legal considerations. This environment is composed for regulatory agencies and government laws that influence and limit various organizations. Mostly these laws create new opportunities for businesses, and as political is attached to the legal, I can say that the business legislations in the bank is to protect banking companies from unfair competition, and to protect consumers from unfair businesses practices adopted by banking companies. The economic trends for a bank market requires better consumer market in volume along with higher so consumer income, saving rates of interest, budget deficit, and exchange rates. And the social culture environment is a society is shaped by beliefs, norms, and values. People in a society consequently and unconsequently interact with themselves, others, organizations, nature, and other things, etc. And the last technological factor is the forces of technological advancement have played the most dramatic role in banking and the life of people. Like we've seen that the online banking and one link that Hassan stole, these the upgrades in technological factors. In brief, pastel analysis affects the overall banking companies and provides us the information about the external macro conditions. So next we have collected SWOT analysis on the bank. Wasif, change the slide, please.
I've changed SWOT analysis is done.
Change, yes. So SWOT is for strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, threat. So the strengths bank HBL has the potential to encounter the competitive environment in the market, and the product of HBL also the strengths of it. HBL has many products for almost all type of customers, and what I include in that is it has a historical background, it has professional and well-trained staff, largest customer base, and you know that HBL is the largest commercial bank in Pakistan. It has a domestic network of around 1,400 branches with an international of 48 branches in 26 countries. It has 20% share in financial market. And now we see so lack of communication between bank and customer terms and condition of products and services. Employee at branch level are not probably motivated to work by hard. And checking system is an inter-departmental unfavorable union activities and management conflicts, weak marketing policies, as I said. And one thing that Mr. Ishan told us that in HBL we are seeing lately that nepotism and favorism is there. That is kind of weakness for HBL. So the opportunities that Islamic Bank is a growing market segment that offers attractive opportunities to potential and existing e-banking stuffs are the opportunities, and the growth and expansion in cash management, faster market growth represent opportunities to grow and diversify. So the last is threads, facing more competition by foreign banks in the market, highly attractive and advanced services by foreign banks to their customers, and political instability, advanced technology, and competition from other banks. This kind of. So, Wasif, change the slide, please.
Okay.
So, this is the advice that Mr. Zishan gave to us as a young graduates, that we have to develop our skills according to the designation we are approached to, and take interest in our relevant field. Work hard, make your training worth that make you stand out from others, make good relations, communication skills, and satisfy the customer, understand your motivations, and be focused. So I would like to conclude this the topic that Bank Al Habib is one of the best and the largest commercial bank because they provide their bank facilities to their customers, as their staff members are very helpful with their customer because their manager compensate with their employees. They give their employees different allowance which will help them to motivate in their work. There are less chance of favorism in Bank Al Habib. So anyhow, there are some business and appraisals as it should be eliminated, because these type of things will demotivate the employee while introducing their new services in their bank. First they train their employees, and then they they apply them that as an internee, and they take in their skills and promote them as a officer. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Wasim.
Yes, sir. So
Students,
here is,
if you have any questions.
yes.
Vasif, have you completed the presentation?
Yes, sir. I have completed the presentation, and as well, I would like to share my report also with you so that you
Okay.
can review it.
Okay.
So wait a minute. I will share. Sir, here is our report. सर आपको विजिबल है?
जी जी मुझे विजिबल है, बिल्कुल है
सर इसके अंदर टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स जो आपके अकॉर्डिंग थे वो हेडिंग्स भी हैं इंक्लूड, एज वेल एज जो कि होनी चाहिए मैंडेटरी, तो वो भी हम लोगों ने कर लिए हैं अपनी तरफ से, जिसके अंदर से उनके फाइनेंस प्लान्स हो गए, जॉब एनालिसिस का क्या क्राइटेरिया है उनका, और टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट के क्या रूल होता है ऐसे जॉब एनालिसिस। तो सर कुछ इस तरीके के फैक्टर्स थे जो कि हमें लगे थे, तो हम लोगों ने वो भी एड ऑन करें। टोटल अगर रिपोर्ट हमारी 19 पेजेस पर इवेलुएट है, तो जिसके अंदर आपने के बताए हुए रेफरेंस अपेंडेंसीज हर चीज़ इसके अंदर ओवरऑल वर्किंग हमने करके आए हैं। जिस तरीके से सर ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल हायरार्की। जी सर। सर आपको विजिबल है?
जी वासिफ, मैंने देख लिया है आपकी रिपोर्ट। अच्छा, ये सेशन ऑफ हो रहा है हमारा, दोबारा ज्वाइन करेंगे हम अभी थोड़ी देर में, और फिर उसमें आपसे क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, फिर थोड़ा ब्रेक लेंगे नमाज का, और फिर जो है
ठीक है
वो
सर।
फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो ये अभी बस
ठीक है सर।
थोड़ा सा ही टाइम रह गया, 10-15 सेकंड रह गए, ये सेशन ऑफ हो जाएगा हमारा। फिर मजीद जो आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन है उसके ऊपर हम बाद में बात करेंगे। कोई और भी है ऐसा जो प्रेजेंट करना चाहे? किसी ने आपको कहा है कि प्रेजेंट करेगा? वासिफ, किसी ने आपको कहा है कि कोई और भी प्रेजेंट करेगा?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, अभी तक तो किसी ने नहीं बोला।
चलें तो आप इस अपनी मैं